Nigeria, a vibrant and diverse country in West Africa, is home to a multitude of cities, each with its own unique characteristics and charms. Among these cities, Aba and Onitsha stand out as bustling commercial centers with a rich cultural heritage. While both cities share striking similarities, they also exhibit notable differences that makes them unique in their own ways. While Aba and Onitsha are located in southeastern region of Nigeria, Aba serves as the commercial capital of Abia State, while Onitsha serves as the commercial capital of Anambra State. Both Aba and Onitsha are renowned for their robust commercial activities. Aba is famously known as the Japan of Africa due to its thriving manufacturing industry, particularly in the production of textile and leather goods. Onitsha, on the other hand, is home to the largest and busiest market in West Africa, with a reputation for trading in a wide range of goods, including clothing, electronics, and food production. Aba and Onitsha are strategically located along the major transport routes. While Aba sits on the west bank of Aba River at the intersection of roads leading to Enugu, Port Harcourt, Owerri, Umuahia, Ikot-Ekpene, and Ikot-Abasi. Onitsha, on the other hand, sits on the eastern bank of River Niger at the intersection of roads leading to Enugu, Awka, Asaba, Nnewi, and Owerri. These transportation links has played a significant role in facilitating movement of goods and people, as well as development of trade and commerce in both cities. The residents of Aba and Onitsha share a strong entrepreneurial spirit. Small and medium-sized businesses flourish in both cities, with individuals engaged in trade and manufacturing. This shared commitment to entrepreneurship has contributed significantly to the economic growth of their different states, region, and country. While Aba and Onitsha are both commercial powerhouse, their economic specialization differs. Aba is particularly known for its manufacturing sector, producing textiles, shoe and leather goods. Onitsha, on the other hand, is renowned for its massive open-air market, where traders from across the country converge to buy and sell wide variety of products. Aba boasts more modern infrastructure compared to Onitsha. The city has witnessed significant investment in road networks, electricity supply, and sanitation facilities. In contrast, Onitsha faces challenges with inadequate infrastructure, which has led to congestion and transportation difficulties in some areas. Aba is generally considered larger in terms of land area, while in population Onitsha is considered larger. This size differential affects the density of the commercial and residential area in both cities. Aba and Onitsha, though sharing many similarities, are distinct in their own right. They both contribute significantly to the Nigerian economy and cultural landscape. Aba is known for its manufacturing prowess and modern infrastructure, while Onitsha is celebrated for its bustling market and rich cultural traditions. Understanding these differences and appreciating the strength of each city help to paint a more comprehensive picture of the diversity and vibrancy of Nigeria.